Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Docker Desktop in your system. The Docker Desktop looks like this icon. So now I'm going to show you how to download this. First of all, open any of your browser. Just enter Docker Hub install. Once you click this, you will get the official website Get Started Docker. Click over Get Started Docker. Here you will find all the necessary documentation which is related to Docker Hub. Then click on Docker Desktop. Here you will get Docker download for Mac and download for Mac for Intel chip or Apple Silicon chip, AMD 64 or ARM 64. Right now we are using AMD 64, not ARM. So hence I click here to download this. Once you click that, it will start downloading. It will take few minutes. It is of around 572 MB. Let's wait for this to complete. Now you can see the download is completed. Just click on open file. This opens a dialog box where we need to complete our installation steps. It will ask you certain permission, give yes. Now you can see it will ask you certain dialog box. Do you want to replace your current version of Docker Desktop with this? Actually, I have previously installed Docker in my system. It is asking this permission. I'll right now give just yes. So now the Docker is installing in my system. This is a simple process of installing Docker Hub, which takes less than few minutes. Let us wait for this process to complete. Now you can see after complete installation it gives like installation succeeded. Just close this window. Then open Docker Desktop in your system. Just enter Docker Desktop. It will automatically opens the Docker engine. Now you can see the Docker engine has opened and it's showing the complete window. Let's wait for a few minutes to starting the Docker engine. Now you can see already I have logged in with my account, so these are my images which I have uploaded from my system. If you have not signed in, you just sign in here, you will get all the necessary things which is updated. So this is the video guys, this is it. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.